Hey guys, today let's learn how to disable our active status on Instagram. So if you guys are wondering how to disable your active status on the Instagram application, all we need to do is to tap on the Instagram application. And then from here, what I want you guys to go ahead and do is to tap on your profile right here in the lower corner, and then tap on your top right, which is the 3 line. Tap on your settings and privacy, and you should see this option over here on your account privacy. But this is basically going to tell you that to put your account on private. Now, if in the case that you would like to go ahead and disable your active status, well, if you can't necessarily locate where that is right from the get-go, you can easily go ahead and do a quick search of your activity status. So tap on show activity status, and basically if you want to go ahead and disable this, make sure that this is disabled. And if it is turned on, that should look like this. And if you want to go ahead and disable this, it's going to be pretty easy just by tapping on this button once more, and it's now disabled. And that is all for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on to the next video.